to give you guys the close-up of the smart gate, the cutting unit, the Swordmaster speed shuttles, we stopped the job, we opened the door, walked in. They've brought the camera in to get like our inside views. Now, for the final few pieces on that sheet, I like to demonstrate something where we have how we can utilize the remote operation capabilities that are built in the TruLaser Center, where operators in the TRUMPF environment, basically from Germany or from here in Chicago, from our apps teams, they have the ability to operate the TruLaser Center fully remotely, as long as safety is confirmed, because obviously safety is a priority. So we need to make sure all the light barriers are set, all the doors are closed. But then me as a shop manager could leave in the evening, have a job unlocked, like here, this job that we were just cutting. You see there's still a few pieces missing. And even when I'm not there, remote operators can just resume the whole job, do a full re-entry, and restart the production operation. That's what we're going to demonstrate right here. So we're going to start the procedure to do a re-entry. The machine will check its home position, and a dialog will pop up, because obviously we interrupted the program before on on our wish. We can select which point to re-enter again, and then continue with that. It is confirmed, and then we see some buttons blinking, but without me touching it, because it was one of our apps engineers from the background logged in remotely. The machine just continues cutting and is now doing the final pieces of that sheet. Now, this might seem not very impressive, because obviously we're in a TRUMPF environment, we're here in a smart factory, but think about what that can do for our customers. Customers that have that feature implemented are suddenly able to have a fully unmanned night shift or weekend operation, and the TRUMPF team will remotely monitor progress on the production on that machine, obviously with consent from the customer in such cases. And on installations where we have that active, we see a huge uptick in machine utilization through the night shift without anyone on the floor. Because think about it, we're here in North America. The remote operation team of TRUMPF is located in Germany, in Neukirch, in one of our TRUMPF sites. They're 7 hours ahead than us here in the Midwest. That means when I go to sleep in the evening, Germany is almost already back at work, because it's 6 o'clock in the morning in Germany. They log in, they see our job list, they see which one we marked that is okay to run, and they'll just operate this machine fully remotely until all the production is done.
And just a point, it's not just rebooting a machine that needs to be rebooted. They're actually getting the feed from this screen, right? So just as the operator here would.
Yeah, very good point. So we see here a red and yellow frame around the screen. That means somebody is logged on. That means somebody else has at the moment control of this machine. But not only off the screen, also the feed potentiometer, start, stop, can move the axis. So even the hard keys are mapped so they can safely operate it remotely. The only thing obviously that it's not able to do is confirm safety, confirm a light barrier, confirm a door closing, because that needs a human eye and the responsibility to check it. Other than that, we now see the job is completed, the sheet count went up, and it's ready to run the next 27 remaining sheets of production.
Great, thank you.